कहते हैं कि figure 2.1 shows a forklift truck used to lift a load. When lifting the load, the electric motor on forklift truck has a useful output power of 600 watts. Define the power. G. How can you define the power?
So, so the rate at which work is done, rate of work.
Huh?
So the rate of work done.
Rate of work done. ऐसे लिखेंगे. The rate
Yeah.
of
So,
the rate of doing work. The work done per
अच्छा.
unit time.
हाँ.
Okay.
ठीक है सर.
So the rate of doing work, the rate of doing work.
जी.
Next, the efficiency of the motor is 70%. Calculate the input power of the motor.
Sir, 70 is equal to
First, we have to write the formula. Efficiency
जी.
is
Input.
output power over input power
अच्छा हाँ. Multiply by
multiply by
100.
100.
जी.
Now the efficiency is 70%
70.
and we have to find out the input power. So input power is output power divided by the efficiency multiplied by 100.
100.
So input power equals
600
600 over 600 over
over 70
600 over 70 into
of
100.
8 100 857.14
85 eh?
7.14 857.14
7.14. So this is
जी.
860 watts. आंसर चेक करें इसका.
जी सर 1 पॉइंट क्या है.
1.9 question number 1.
1 पॉइंट. जैसे मैंने देखा प्रेशर का काफी ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सर
हाँ जी.
860 है.
Okay. Next is the forklift truck lifts a load with a mass of 50 kg through the vertical distance of 3.2 meter. Vertical distance. Calculate the work done in lifting the load. So here work done is equals to the change in potential energy because he is lifting the load. So work done equals to mgh. M is the mass, 50, G is 9.81, height is 2.3. Check करो. Height is 2.3.
जी सर 50 multiplied by 9.8 1 multiplied by 2.3 1128.15
1128.5.
15
So this is
1100
1100. इसका भी check कर लेते हैं.
सर इसका भी ठीक है.
Okay, calculate the time taken to lift the load. Time आपने find करना है.
पावर
So
गिवन है सर.
which power?
पावर गिवन ही है.
Calculate the time taken to lift the load. तो कौन सी पावर लें हम? कैसे करते हैं?
सर पावर इज
Power
इक्वल टू वर्क ओवर टाइम ना.
work over time. Good.
तो
Time
वर्क भी गिवन है.
equals work over power. Input power लेते हैं है ना?
हाँ जी 860.
So 1100 हम exact values लेते हैं.
ओ
1128 over
पॉइंट
857.14. चेक करो.
1.316
1.3 1 6, so this is 1.3.
सर गलत है सर, आंसर की में आउटपुट पावर ली उन्होंने.
Why?
अच्छा सर, क्योंकि असल तो उसको ऊपर जो पावर
2
लगा है,
मिनट
वो
रुके,
तो है ही आउटपुट ना. इनपुट में तो वो जाया भी तो हो रहा है ना.
2 मिनट रुके.
ठीक है
When
सर.
lifting the load, the electric motor on the lift truck has a useful output power of 600. Oh, useful output power is
हाँ,
600 that are
600 तो
using
इसलिए.
to lift the truck. ठीक है, तो यूजफुल आउटपुट पावर इज 600.
जी,
तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सी गलती.
हमने इनपुट ले लिया.
600. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
जी सर, 1.88.
1.88, दिस इज 1.9.
जी, आंसर ठीक है.
Next is describe how the energy is transferred to thermal energy as the load is lifted by the forklift truck. See, how the energy
um,
is transferred to thermal
so
energy.
thermal energy would be transferred in the form of friction, from friction,
Which
due
type
to
of friction?
friction. I mean, so ऊपर करो सर. देखो सर, डायग्राम में लोड है ना, फ्रिक्शन नहीं कॉज करेंगे.
और क्या हो सकता है इसके अलावा?
एयर रेजिस्टेंस.
तो इतना ज़्यादा तो नहीं उठा रहे ना कि एयर रेजिस्टेंस इन्वॉल्व हो.
अच्छा, फिर सर फोर्क लिफ्ट ट्रक, उसका अपना इलेक्ट्रिकल
की
वायर्स भी तो
फ्रिक्शन,
हीट होंगे.
हाँ, उसकी फ्रिक्शन जो होगी ना लिफ्टिंग के वक्त जो.
अच्छा.
तो चेक करें क्या आंसर लिखा है.
आंसर की में लिखा है सर, फ्रिक्शन एंड द प्लेस इट अकर्स, फॉर एग्जांपल मोटर, लिफ्ट मैकेनिज्म और एयर. और दूसरा है कि इलेक्ट्रिकल हीटिंग एंड इन वायर स्लैश मोटर.
हाँ, इलेक्ट्रिकल हीटिंग इन.
वायर्स.
हाँ जी, इलेक्ट्रिकल हीटिंग इन वायर्स
जी.
ऑफ मोटर कर देते. Next is a battery, a pulley, and a motor are used to lift a load as shown in figure. This we have a battery, pulley, load, motor.
अच्छा सर, इसमें इजी है सर. सर द मोटर would use its, so the battery would convert its chemical energy into electrical energy, powering the motor, which would convert that electrical energy into kinetic energy, pulling the pulley, which would, and the load would um gain potential energy as, may gain kinetic energy as it loses its potential energy.
ये हमने शायद पहले भी पेपर किया हुआ.
अच्छा, I don't remember.
करता हूँ अगर किया हो तो.
जी.
नहीं मिल रहा. ओके, इसमें क्या कह रहे हैं आप. Here we have a battery, pulley, load, motor. Describe the energy transfer between the energy stores that occur as the load is lifted. So initially in battery, which type of energy is stored? Battery, chemical energy is stored. ऐसा ही है. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
ओके, अब हम इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं. द केमिकल एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन द बैटरी.
So chemical energy in the battery would convert into
हाँ,
electrical.
द केमिकल
So मैंने भी तो यही कहा था.
एनर्जी. हाँ जी, एनर्जी stored in the battery. The chemical energy stored in the battery is converted into is converted
into
into
electrical energy.
electrical energy. Electrical energy. Next is electrical energy of motor. This energy is used to lift the load. This energy is used to lift the load. Lift
The load.
load. Okay. And gains gravitational potential energy.
G.
And load gains gravitational
Potential energy.
potential energy.
G.
Energy. Next is the efficiency of the motor pulley and the load system is less than 100%. By comparing the input energy and the useful output energy, explain why the efficiency is less than 100%. Very simple.
So कैसे?
Why the input energy is less than, output energy is less than 100%? Because because some of the input energy, input
Energy
energy
would be wasted.
is wasted.
लेकिन सर मैंने कहा by comparing the input and output तो
Yes,
उनका
we are
values क्या
comparing
नहीं
the,
given.
we just have to compare
अच्छा
why
ऐसे ही बताना है.
some of the input energy is wasted as heat energy, heat energy heat energy due to friction,
जी.
to
Fiction.
friction. आंसर चेक कर लें इसका.
जी सर इसका आंसर में लिखा हुआ है useful or output energy is less than input energy.
Why?
ये नहीं लिखा.
Due to friction. Next is explain how the principle of conservation of energy applies in lifting the load.
पर ये नहीं बताया. अच्छा the chemical energy is complete नहीं
The chemical energy from battery ऐसे लिखते हैं.
है ना.
The chemical energy from battery
सर एक बात है सर अगर हम स्पेस में हैं वैक्यूम में बेसिकली सर
जी जी
और हम दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स को रब करें तो भी फिक्शन प्रोड्यूस होगा.
स्पेस में है और दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स को आप क्या कर रहे हैं.
रब
हाँ तो ऑब्जेक्ट्स में तो होगा ना.
हो हाँ अगर लेकिन ऐसी एक ऑब्जेक्ट को स्पेस में फेंके
जी
फिर तो नहीं होएगा ना.
फिर नहीं होगा.
अच्छा सर अगर फेंके उसको एक यानी फेंके उसको तो रुकेगा भी नहीं ना
एक अभी नहीं.
क्योंकि एनर्जी कहीं ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा.
हाँ कह सकते हैं कि वो मूव करेगा लेकिन वो फ्लोट करेगा ना.
हाँ वही ना लेकिन
Didn't
रुकेगा तो
move
नहीं
in
ना
a
कभी.
certain direction. हाँ जी.
हम्म,
Okay.
ठीक है.
Next is the chemical energy from battery. The chemical energy from battery is converted converted into किसमें convert हुआ है. Chemical energy from battery is converted into electrical electrical comma gravitational gravitational potential energy, and heat energy. But the total energy remains conserved. But total energy remains conserved.
G.
But total energy remain conserved. Next is the input power of the motor is 15 watt. Input power is given. The motor is used for 20 seconds. The efficiency of the motor is 60%. Calculate the energy supplied to the
ये easy है
load.
sir.
Energy supply to the load.
इनपुट गिवन है तो सर 60 इज नहीं सर टाइम क्यों गिवन है
One is what?
आउटपुट तो नहीं फाइंड करना ना
Input is given already. तो हम input energy निकालते हैं. So we
आउटपुट
know that input equals
सर
energy
इनपुट गिवन
input
नहीं है
over time. I need energy input, power input multiply by time. Power
ओह
input is 50, time is
मल
20. So input energy equals
50 multiplied by 20 300
300 joules is the input energy. And we have to calculate the energy supply to the load. We need output energy. And we know the formula of efficiency is output energy to the input energy multiply by the 100. So output energy equals efficiency multiply by input divided by 100. Efficiency is what? Efficiency is
60
60. Input energy is 300
300
divided by 100.
180
180. 180 joules is the output energy or supply to the load. Oh, question number 6.
3
3.
3 yes sir
Three बचे. पढ़े?
A trolley of mass 0.2 kilograms is at rest on a frictionless surface. A block of wood is attached to the trolley. The volume of the block is this, and the density is this. Calculate the combined mass of the trolley and the block. पहले block का mass निकालना है. Density is equal to m over v. V arrange करके. Okay, sir.
जी बच्चे. A trolley of mass is at rest on the frictionless surface. A block of wood is attached to the trolley. The volume of the block of wood is mass is given, volume is given, the density is given. Calculate the combined mass of the trolley and the block. जी इसमें कौन सा फॉर्मूला
So
लगेगा?
mass of the trolley मैंने 0.0012 multiplied by 650 0.78 बन गया.
क्यों?
क्या मतलब क्यों सर? T is equal to m
Okay,
over v.
the volume of block of okay. So the density is mass over volume.
Hmm.
Mass of block
Is
we
equal to
know. Density volume. Density is 650
multiplied by
multiply by
0.0012
0.12 is
0.78
0.8. Now
plus
we have to add
0.2.
them, है ना?
हाँ
The
जी सर.
combined total mass is 0.20 plus
0.78
0.7
0.98.
0.98. अब अब्दुल्ला
Yes
खैर
sir.
का और आयजा का तो ए स्टार आया.
सर
आपका
मैं
भी
डिस्टिंक्शन हो पाएंगा?
कि आपके पास 2 साल हैं?
नहीं सर, डिस्टिंक्शन ज्यादा ऐसे थोड़ा। सर
चलो,
आपके बाकी भी तो स्टूडेंट्स होंगे ना, उनसे भी तो compete करना ही है फिर।
हाँ जी। Next is figure 1.1 shows that a student attaches a spring constant. Okay, here the spring constant is 14 Newton per meter to the front of the आगे कुछ
सर ये पेज कौन सा? पेज ठीक ही है?
17.
सर मैं पढ़ता हूँ, मैं देख लेता हूँ क्या मिसिंग है।
Okay,
117 है ना? खुल गया। सर figure to the front of the trolley.
to the front of the trolley. The student holds the trolley and block and stretches the spring. He releases the trolley and the block. The trolley and block accelerates from rest. As the trolley and block accelerates, the student keeps the extension of the spring at this. This is the extension of the spring. Calculate the force exerted by the spring on the trolley. Calculate the force exerted by the spring on the trolley. कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगेगा? F is equals to kx. F is equals to k is spring constant, extension is 0.035. चेक करें क्या आता है आंसर.
14 will be 0.035. 0.49.
आंसर चेक करें जरा.
Answer question number 3. um, B का फर्स्ट पार्ट है ना? 0.49.
0.49. Next, the trolley and blocks are pulled at a distance of this by the spring. Calculate the work done on the trolley. Work done on the trolley is F into
हाँ
T
हाँ जी बिल्कुल।
and
वो 0.49
0.49. Distance is
multiplied by 0.86,
86. Correct?
0.4214,
0.14.
4214.
0.42. Explain why the power transfer to the trolley and the block increases as the speed increases.
The power transfer to the trolley and block increases. So since the kinetic energy would increase, which would change into another energy form.
देखते हैं. Explain why the power transfer to the trolley block increase. Power increase कर रहे हो. When as the speed increases, speed का मतलब होता है if increases, so it means their kinetic energy increases, and we know that power equals energy over time. So if the energy increases, the power must be increases. आंसर चेक करेंगे इसका आप.
जी सर, इसका आंसर में लिखा हुआ है the distance moved slash work done in 1 second increases as the speed increases. The work done in 1 second per or slash per unit time increase.
वर्क डन ये आपने लिखा है कि मार्किंग स्कीम में है?
सही मार्किंग स्कीम ने लिखा है, मैंने नहीं सर। The distance moved per work done slash work done in 1 second increases as the speed increases. Question number 3 का B
लास्ट
का
पार्ट.
third part. तो यही है सर।
उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया है द वर्क डन के लिहाज से, है ना.
जी सर।
Why the power transfer to the trolley and block increases. लिखते हैं When the speed speed increases, the kinetic energy, the kinetic
Energy
energy also increases, also increases.
increases.
When the speed increases, the kinetic energy also increases. और उससे क्या होगा? So power is directly proportional to the energy. Power depends on the energy. Power depends on the energy. Therefore, therefore, power also increases. Okay?
जी सर,
Therefore, the
ठीक है सर।
power also increases. Next, question number
A
4.
lorry truck is at rest
What?
on a lorry slash truck is at rest on a straight horizontal road. A constant driving force of 5.4 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4 Newton acts on the lorry as it accelerates forward. Define what is meant by acceleration. So, acceleration is the change in displacement per unit time.
Define acceleration. The rate of change of velocity या the
Oh, हाँ,
change
rate of change
हाँ
in
वो भी लिख सकते
velocity.
हैं rate of change of velocity. तो 2 मार्क्स की चेक करें.
आंसर की में लिखा है change slash increase of velocity with time, change slash increase of velocity per unit time or rate of change of
हाँ
velocity.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
Next is
As the lorry moves forwards, work is done on it by the driving force. State the equation that defines work done. Refer to the direction of the force exerted.
okay.
W is equal to Ft.
State state the equation that defines the work.
Work
तो हम लिखते हैं work equals force multiply by distance moved in the direction of
G.
distance move in the direction of direction
Of the
of force. Next, calculate the work done on the lorry by the driving force when the lorry travels a distance of this meters. So we know the formula of work. Work equals force into displacement. Force into displacement. Work equals force. Force is 5.4 10
4
raised
10
to
power
power
4.
4 and the displacement is what is the
280.
280. Answer check करें.
Fifth, 1.512.
1.512
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiply by 10 to the power 7.
10 raised to power 7. So 1.5 10 raised to power
7.
7.
ठीक answer.
At one point on the road, the kinetic energy of the lorry is this and its speed is this. Calculate the mass of the
So
lorry.
yeah, easy. 3.2 E
Half
is equal to half
mv
m
square.
g.
आपने चाहे जो मर्जी हो फार्मूला जरूर लिख.
ठीक है सर.
Either 1 marks का भी है तब भी. Kinetic energy is 3.2
3.2
10
10
raised
power
to
5.
power 6
Oh,
is given in this part. And
5 लग गए. 6 here.
half mass unknown
Find करना है.
speed is 12. So
G.
m equals to multiply by 3.2 10 raised to power 6 divided by 2. Answer check करें.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.4, 10 power. So four. So four fours.
Oh, 4 4.
No, five fours. Five fours.
Okay, 5 fours mean 4.4, 10 raised to power
Four.
4.
उसका बाद point 4 4 4 4 4.
Okay, 4.4, 10 raised to power 4 kg. Next
जी.
question number 5. Figure
से
2.2.
हाँ जी.
जी क्या कह
नहीं
रहे
नहीं
हैं?
सर. नहीं नहीं सर कुछ नहीं वो क्वेश्चन पहले थे आंसर बताने लगा था.
Figure 2.2 shows a rider on electric scooter. The scooter contains a battery and a motor to drive the back wheel. State the name of energy stored in the battery. Very well.
केमिकल
हाँ जी, chemical. Chemical.
एनर्जी.
Next, describe in terms of work done the stages of the energy transfer from the energy stored in the battery to the kinetic energy of the scooter. तो हम लिखते हैं chemical energy in battery is converted into the electrical energy. ठीक है?
जी
सबसे पहले लिखते हैं chemical energy stored in battery is converted into to electrical
एनर्जी.
energy. Chemical energy stored in battery is converted into energy and electrical energy is converted into kinetic energy by motor. Kinetic energy by motor. ठीक है?
जी
Next is the total mass of the scooter and the rider is 70. The total kinetic energy of the rider and the scooter when the speed is this. Kinetic energy equals half m here. So the kinetic energy equals half. Mass is 70. Speed is 4 square. Speed is 4 square. Check करें.
जी सर. 0.5 multiplied by 70 multiplied by 16. 560.
560 joule.
जी
Next,
सर.
the battery is marked energy capacity of 0.35 kilowatt per hour. ठीक है? Next
जी.
is define what is meant by kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour means energy provided if the
हाँ
power is 1 kilowatt.
in 1 hour for
Energy,
1 hour.
yes. Energy supply या consume or provided when the when power is 1 kilowatt for 1 hour. ठीक है?
जी
ये important है. The scooter stops working because of the battery is totally discharged. This means that there is no more energy stored in the battery. The battery is then recharged using 70-watt power supply. Calculate the time taken to fully recharge the battery. Very, very important. Not so much important. Power equals, know that power equals energy over time.
जी.
Time equals energy over power. Energy is, what's the
हाँ
energy?
ऊपर शायद हो. सर वैसे है किलो पावर तो गिवन ही है 0.35
नहीं
किलोवाट
गिवन।
आवर।
हाँ जी ये है। दिस इज द एनर्जी, दिस इज नॉट द पावर।
ओह हाँ,
किलोवाट आवर इज द
एनर्जी
यूनिट ऑफ
सर वैसे,
इलेक्ट्रिकल
हाँ एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी।
एंड इट्स वैल्यू भी बता देता हूँ। 1 किलोवाट आवर इक्वल्स 3.6 10 रेज पावर।
सर ये याद करना है।
कर लें तो अच्छी बात है।
ठीक है सर।
नेक्स्ट इज एनर्जी। एनर्जी इज 0.35 किलोवाट आवर ने आवर्स में ही निकालना है। तो किलो इज 1000 डिवाइडेड बाय पावर। पावर इज 70। चेक करें।
5
ऐसे याद रख लें। किलो किसके इक्वल होता है?
1000
1000।
और आवर 60।
थर्टी
हाँ
सिक्स
ऐसे
हंड्रेड
ठीक है सर।
3600। So
ओ हाँ,
this will
सेकंड्स
be
में।
3.6 10 raised to power 1 2 4 5 6.
ठीक है सर, ऐसे इजी है।
So the answer is
ये आंसर आया 5।
answer 5. Just 5.
जी सर,
5
5.0।
5 hours. काफी है।
जी सर।
ओके। कहा
ओके
हाफिज।
सर, अल्लाह हाफिज़, सी यू टुमारो इंशाल्लाह।